Have you ever gone in for a hug and felt the energy instantly turn awkward? Maybe she stiffened. Maybe it felt forced. Maybe you pulled away wondering, what just happened? Here's the truth. A hug is a small moment, but it communicates a lot. Confidence, awareness, respect, or the lack of it. And there's one mistake you should absolutely avoid. Never force the hug. That means don't rush in without reading her body language. Don't assume she's comfortable. And definitely don't close the distance too quickly just because you feel ready. Because the moment a hug feels unexpected or pressured, it stops being warm and starts feeling uncomfortable. Attraction doesn't grow in discomfort. It grows in safety. So what should you do instead? First, read her signals. Is she leaning in, smiling, opening her body toward you? These are green lights, but if she's keeping distance, turning slightly away, or not reciprocating closeness, that's your cue to slow down. Second, give her space to meet you halfway. A great hug isn't taken, it's shared. Move in naturally, not abruptly. Let there be a brief moment where she can respond. If she steps in too, you're aligned. If not, you've avoided an awkward situation with dignity. Third, keep it relaxed, not overcommitted. One common mistake is holding on too long or too tightly. A hug should match the moment. Early on, keep it light, brief, and comfortable. Let familiarity grow over time. Fourth, be present, not performative. If you're overthinking it, am I doing this right? Does she like it? That tension shows. Confidence in small moments comes from being calm and aware, not perfect. And finally, understand this. A hug is not just physical, it's emotional communication. It says, I'm comfortable with you. But more importantly, it should also say, you're comfortable with me. From a Stoic perspective, the focus is simple. You don't control how she feels, but you do control your awareness, your respect, and your self-restraint. And those qualities are far more attractive than any forced gesture. Because the best interactions don't come from trying to take something, they come from creating a moment where both people naturally move closer. And when that happens, even something as simple as a hug feels effortless and real.